Hi, third graders. Today we're going to be working in lesson 3 on page 311, and we are going to be talking about how can we classify invertebrates. Last time we learned about vertebrates. This time we're going to learn about invertebrates. And at the end of the lesson, you should be able to answer this question. Look at this furry lobster. How do you know it is not a mammal? So when we're finished with the lesson, come back and answer this question. No bones. How are an octopus, lobster, cricket, and worm alike? They are all invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without backbones. There are many kinds of invertebrates. Jellyfish, crabs, spiders, worms, and insects are some kinds. Invertebrates live in many places, from the ocean to your own backyard. Now let's look at some examples. A worm has no backbone or hard outer covering. The snail has a hard shell to protect its soft body. Most kinds of female sea stars release tiny eggs from each of their arms into the ocean water. This centipede has lots of legs. Ladybugs lay tiny eggs on the undersides of leaves. You're going to look at these pictures and then place an X beneath the pictures of invertebrates. Make sure you look back in your text to help you decide which ones are invertebrates. Arthropods. There are more types of arthropods than any other type of animal. What makes them special? Arthropods are invertebrates with jointed legs. Their bodies are divided into segments or parts, and they have a hard outer covering that protects them. Insects are the largest group of arthropods. How can you tell which arthropods are insects? An insect's body has 3 main segments. Its head has 2 antennae, and it has 6 legs. Spiders, scorpions, and crabs are arthropods too, yet they are not insects. Unlike insects, these arthropods only have 2 body parts. Insects always have 6 legs, but other kinds of arthropods have different numbers of legs. So take a look at this page and all of the illustrations and the examples of arthropods and insects. It says, find and circle these arthropods. Cross each off the list as you find it. And then down here, what you're going to do is you're going to look back in your text and you're going to fill in the chart with the names of arthropods. And you're going to write the ones that are insects here, and then the names of other arthropods that are not insects over here. Snails, squids, and all the others. Arthropods aren't the only kind of invertebrates. What other animals are invertebrates? Look and find out. Since a squid has no bones, it can fit its body in between rocks. So we see a squid is an invertebrate. Periwinkles are saltwater snails. Brittle stars live in the ocean and in pools near the shore. When this octopus hatched from its egg, it was about the size of a housefly. Like many invertebrates, sea slugs lay eggs. Anemones attach themselves to rocks or other surfaces. A clam has a soft body with a hard shell to protect it. Okay. What you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead and complete the sum it up and the brain check and the apply concepts. For the sum it up, it says the blue part of each summary statement is incorrect. Write words to replace the blue parts. So you're going to look back in your text and you're going to find the word that corrects this sentence. So replace the blue word with the correct word and then rewrite the statement here. You're going to do that for each one of those. And then we have the vocabulary review, and then we have the apply concepts. So go ahead and complete those and upload them when you're finished.